Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers. So first you have to come this website. You can see this is www.giga.com. This is Gigabyte official website, and you can see right hand side you search buttons to click and enter your model number of your motherboard Z790 equal AX, then hit enter. Click on product. 790 equal product 790 equal AX. Click on title. Then guys click on support. Select your operating system Windows 10, 11. So if you are using suppose Windows 10, so you can install this Windows 10 driver. Audio, click on download. So after you click download, it will start downloading. You can see here, wait few seconds to complete. After download, just open. Then guys, this is extracted driver, so wait few seconds. So first you can extract it, otherwise you have to install like that. So just double click on exe setup, then click on yes. This is required for the administrator rights. Now you can see this is audio driver installing. Wait few seconds, it will might be it is completed, it will close automatically. So guys, close it. It is installed.